Do you know what credit score it takes to get approved for a home loan? If not, stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Garrett Stone here, mortgage broker / owner based out of the Metro Detroit area, and this channel is to educate you on the home buying, whether it's a purchase or a refinance process. So today we're going to talk about what credit score is actually needed to get approved for a home loan. So I think a lot of misconceptions out there is that you need a 700 plus credit score to get approved for a home loan. That's just not the case. So today we're going to talk about 3 different programs, and there's multiple different loan programs out there. But today we're going to talk about FHA, conventional, and VA home loans. And I just wanted to briefly touch on what is the minimum credit score needed for each of those loan programs. So an FHA home loan. FHA means Federal Housing Administration, and it is backed by the government. And the minimum credit score that is needed is actually a 500 credit. Now, there is a few more conditions for that credit score. You do have to put a minimum of 10% down if you have anything below a 580 credit score. 580 and above, if you have a 580 and above credit score, you only need to put down 3.5% based on overall purchase price. So again, you do not need a 700 credit. You don't need perfect credit to get approved for a home loan. FHA can go down to a 500, but most lenders are going to be in that 580 mark. So if you're close to that 580 mark, 600, you want to talk to your local loan officer or whoever you use and see if you qualify. Second program is a VA home loan. That is Veterans Affairs, and minimum credit score on a VA home loan is actually 620. So again, you don't need a 700 plus credit score. 620 is the minimum credit score to get qualified for a VA home loan. For all the veterans out there, just so you know. The third type of home loan that I want to talk to you today about is a conventional home loan. And a conventional home loan is usually 3% or 5% down minimum. And you can put down anything you want over and above that. But they start out at 620 or 640, depending on which lender you go through, or bank or mortgage person. But 620 to 640 are the minimum credit scores for a conventional home loan. And so again, that 700 plus credit score is a myth. If you have a 700 plus credit score, you'll get better interest rates. You'll save some money on the mortgage insurance, which we'll get into at a later date and time in a different video. But again, just for base qualifying purposes, a 580 is a good qualifying score for an FHA. 620 is a good qualifying minimum score for VA home loans. And 620 to 640 is a good qualifying score for conventional home loans. If you have any other questions, I'm here to help. Drop me an email, text me, and we'll talk to you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.